doesn't it? It was really oh, is that clever?
Yeah, it's nice now, look at that lot. Oh, it's Santa.
What's it like? Snowflakes.
They've all had their headlights taken off, or put off.
Right.
See? So you can see the lights better. That's your Ferguson, that one.
Really? Oh, look, he's got all whistly bits.
They got some on, haven't they?
What's that? Is that a pickle?
That's fantastic. See what we could have done with this.
Oh wow! Oh, look at that! They're different coloured lights. Hey.
Hey, somebody's coming with me guards on. They look grand, don't they?
Amazing, aren't they? The amount of lights that they've got.
That's proper home. He's got some catching up there.
You see, I'm not even trying to count, have you? Oh, brilliant. Oh, look, he's got them going round his wheels.
Ah, yeah.
Oh. That's what it was, him scaring people to death in Ashbourne.
Ah.
Get that doing. Oh, I really was. Oh dear. He's got some, what's it, big aerial?
Yeah, aerial.
He's got a, what's it, the Christmas tree on back. Hey, you like the stag? Oh, stag.
He's got the baby shark on. Oh dear.
Oh, they're just brilliant. It's still the gate calling, look at him. Hey, honestly.
He's got to catch up.
Get a move on, laddie. That looks good. One's on that one.
It's the one with that one, look. It's,
he's a bit more subdued, the little one. Brilliant. Oh. Oh
amazing.
Oh. The amount of time it must have been taken just to get them all on.
Look here, how many more's coming? Look here, they're stretching right round corner.
Amazing. So no wonder they've taken so long to get round everywhere. Look at this.
Ah, yeah.
Blooming flashy was
Hot loader.
I like those sort of turquoisey ones. Oh, nice net on there.
Ah, yeah.
Hey, oh, look at this little one. He's got things on the there. That's a nice little thing.
Classic tractor. He's got his edge cutter on back and all, look you.
It's just brilliant.
Well, a classic tractor, I like it. Look at that, the star on that. He's got his edge cutter on and all, look you.
There we go.
Hey up, the classic 550 out back, look you.
Oh dear.
Hey.
They were amazing. This little dinky thing, cow on front, I didn't see that.
Alright.
Something dark, I didn't see it.
We might see red light jumpers that you don't mind actually today.
That's clever with like a net thing over his little box thing. It's a little bitty thing.
Somebody's revving up, look. Can you hear somebody revving up? That's started revving. Oh, is that the last of it?
Oh, is that clever?
Yeah, it's nice, look at that lot. Oh, he's Santa.